Hi there. Are you ever working in ArcGIS Pro and trying to figure out how to create a random number? Well, I was having some difficulty with it and wanted to just share with you this pretty easy step. If we haven't met before, hi, my name is Juliana McMillan. I'm the COO of Flourish and Thrive Labs, where we help mission-driven organizations and particularly local health departments transform the way that they do their data. I'd love to be able to chat more with you if that sounds like something that you'd be interested in. So, in ArcGIS Pro, I have some data right now and I'm just trying to do a test visualization. And so I want to create a random number. I have some values for states. And so I want to use the field calculator to create a random value. I'm using Model Builder right now, the visual programming tool, but you can also just get to this by going to the field calculator and going calculate field. So if you go to calculate field, right, so that's over here, it's a geoprocessing tool. Here, I'm just going to double click on it as a in the Model Builder tool. And so what you're going to do is, my field here is called rate. You can call it whatever you want. And so the rate is equal to random.randint. And then here, this 25 is the number that I want it to start at, and 100 is the maximum. And then I just typed in this code block, import random. And so if I were to right click on this and just go run, that's the same thing as clicking the, oops, sorry, I clicked the wrong thing, like the OK tool. And I'm just going to go here, here, and go add to display. And so if I right click here, and if I then open the attribute table, we'll see here that we have a rate field that has been created, and that things have a value between 25 and 100. What I realized, though, as I thought about this, is probably, again, this is just like synthetic data for testing purposes. Maybe I actually want this to be between 25 and 89, because it's really unlikely that for what this is that there would be 100. So I can just go here and right click and go run, and there you go. So again, the code that you want is to set the rate. My expression type is Python. The rate is random.randint, then parentheses, then your first number is where you want to start. The last number is where you want to end, and then your code block is import random.